Redis is not a one-trick key-value store. It ships 4 core data structures, and picking the right one is the single most important decision you make before writing any code. Think of each type as a contract. The shape of your data tells you the type, and the type tells you which commands to reach for. Picking the wrong type usually means doing in application code what Redis could do for you natively. A sorted set keeps members in a skip list indexed by score. Every ZADD maintains the order, so a Z range to fetch the top 10 players costs log n plus the number of results, no application-side sorting required. Watch how each type handles its specialty. rpush and lrange for an ordered notification feed, hset and hgetAll for a user object, sadd for a tag set that deduplicates for free, and zrange rev for an instantly ranked leaderboard. When you review a PR, ask, does the Redis type match the shape of the data? A leaderboard in a hash, a profile in a plain string, or a unique set stored as a list are the classic mismatches to flag. The wrong data type does not just feel inelegant, it shifts correctness burdens into your application and turns order log n Redis operations into full table scans in memory. Let the type do the work.